Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video I will teach you about the htop command in Linux or Unix based systems. If I see the short main page of htop, it says interactive process viewer. So this is the third video that we are talking about the processes in Linux or Unix based systems. So we talk about the ps command, we talk about the top command. Now we are going to talk about the htop command. So if I just type htop, it is going to return a beautiful user interface and displaying all the processes and memory usage and a lot more information about the current system hardware and so on. So the user that is executing the process and all those stuffs, the timing usage, their directory and CPU usage, and there right here they are showing the memory usage. I have 5.67 gigabits of RAM, and this is the currently used RAM. So if I zoom it out, as you can see, it looks like this. Now these are the processes percentage usage, and here they are showing the task loaded threads. Four threads are currently running, average load average, and they are showing the uptime. So it is 21 about 22 minutes that the system is live, and here they are providing some commands that you can pass to this. So let's pass some of them. So let's say for help, all you need is to press F1. So it is going to tell you something about this, and F2 is for setup, F3 is for searching in some processes, F4 is for filtering. If I select some of them, let's select, you can scroll up and down, and we press F1, so it is going to return the web page for that. And now I'm not interested on that, so let's say I want to filter on this, so I will press just F4 here. It is going to filter that. Now as you can see, it shows something, we can pass something, and it will going to filter that. So if I type user root, and it is going to return the processes that are executed by the root. You can type anything here. Let's say top, it is also a command, so it should be executing. It returns 1 executed by the user Tauseed Zaman, and process ID and so on, so for CPU usage and so on. And let's search for the terminal. We are using the terminal, which is bash. So if I search for bash, you can see bin bash, this is right here. So it returns there the PID and the user that it executing, and the memory usage and CPU usage, the uptime and so on, a lot more information. So you can search for them, and to exit for them, all you need is just press exit key, or press enter, whatever you want. So these other are F6 is for sorted by. You can select something, and if you press F6, it is going to sort it based on that. So as you can see, it is sorting on that. If I exit this now, you can make it more visualizable by pressing F7, and F8 is for that as well. Now if you want to kill some process, you can select that and press F9 right here, as you can see, and it will kill that process. So let's kill some of them. uh, if I cancel it off, let's find some process, and I don't want to kill some serious processes. This is the terminator. I'm using terminator, I'm not using regular shell. So as you can see, it is right here. So if I close this, it is going to close the complete window, so I don't want that. So yeah, all you need is select the process and press F9. It is going to kill that process, and you can do that manually as well, and I will talk about that in the next episode. So to quiet from this, you can press Ctrl C or F10. So let's try F10, and it's going to close that. So that is htop command, and maybe there are a lot more information about htop command in the main page. You can check them out. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.